Tired of simple averages that don't tell the whole story? Let's unlock the power of weighted averages in Tableau. First, open Tableau and connect to your data source. For this example, we have a simple data set with sales and quantity. The key here is to identify which field will act as your weight. In our case, it's quantity. Now, create a new calculated field, name it weighted average. In the calculation editor, we will write out the following calculation. The formula multiplies the sales by the quantity, then divides the result by the sum of the quantity. This gives each sale a weight proportional to its quantity. Drag the new calculated field weighted average to your row shelf. Make sure sales and quantity are also somewhere on the view so you can check your calculations. This creates a basic table showing your overall weighted average. That the real power comes from breaking this down. Drag dimensions, like region or product category, to the columns or row shelf to see the weighted average for each segment. Change the chart type to bar chart for better visualization. You can then use filters to dynamically explore your data and understand how the weighted average changes based on different selections. Create a dashboard to communicate your insights. This calculation lets you make data-driven decisions.